Royal Caribbean makes a change to its refund policy for those that are not happy with the upcoming cruise protocols. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. So if you've been following along with the cruise news lately, you know Royal Caribbean has put out some cruise protocols for their upcoming sailings out of Florida that are not 100% popular with everybody, particularly the unvaccinated, because it does have special mask requirements for them, areas of the ship they will not be allowed to go into, and different rules for when they stop at cruise ports, plus the additional costs of testing and now travel insurance. So because of this, Royal Caribbean has made a change to their refund policy. So now if you just absolutely do not like the protocols for upcoming cruises, Royal Caribbean is going to offer a full refund. Now, where the big change comes in is if your cruise was booked with future cruise credit, you can now also get a refund on that. However, there are some rules to it. The future cruise credit must be from the Cruise with Confidence program or from the global suspension. It cannot be a future cruise credit from some other source, such as a weather-related event or an incident on the ship. It must have been from those two programs, but you can now get a refund of your future cruise credit as well, but only on ships that have issued the protocols. So for an example, right now, only the Freedom of the Seas protocols have been released. So as of today, this would only be for the Freedom of the Seas. Royal Caribbean states that additional ship protocols will be coming out. They may be similar to what Freedom of the Seas has, but they could differ. So you cannot take advantage of this until those protocols have been released. And at that point, if you absolutely don't like them, then you'll have the opportunity for a refund. I think Royal Caribbean understands that while they are doing these cruise protocols in order to get cruising restarted as soon as possible and as safely as possible within the guidelines of Florida law and CDC requirements, that there just are going to be some people who don't like them, don't want to deal with them. They don't want to wear a mask on the ship. They don't want to have venues they can't get into, and they don't want to have different requirements than the other passengers. So now you have the opportunity to get a refund, even if it is a future cruise credit. All right, I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have, let's give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day, and we will see you out on the high seas.